Man, this elevator's taking forever. Oh, hey, first grade. Hi, it's Mr. Dalton. I was just taking the elevator up here to the Panther Cub Den. It is week 6 here. We are still focusing on being courageous, boys and girls. I hope you're trying to try new things and get outside of your comfort zone. Our IB attitude is independent. I hope you've been practicing your independence and showing your mommy and daddy and Mr. Dalton how independent you can be. Remember, when we roll, boys and girls, rolling, there are no bounces. Today, we're going to be reviewing rolling a little bit, and we're going to be talking about the underhand toss, not the overhand throw. We are underhand tossing. So, boys and girls, I want you to jump first today for our warm-up. Yep, we're just going to jump on 2 feet, up and down. Oop, we're going to jump on 1 foot. Yep. Oop, we're going to jump on our other foot. Yep. Now can you go, 2 feet, 1 foot, 2 foot, 1 foot, 2 feet, 1 foot, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. Now let's do some jumping jacks. Ooh. Good job, boys and girls. Yep. Good job, Daniela. I see you out there. Yep. I see some other people out there doing their jumping jacks. Man, this is good. Good job. Now we're just going to jump. Yep. Man, we're working on jumping today. Good job, boys and girls. Now let's squat. Oh, man, Mr. Dalton's legs are tired now. Are yours, boys and girls? Good. Now let's squat and jump. Squat and jump. Squat and jump. Oh, oh, good job. Now, boys and girls, it is time for our stretches. So, Mr. Dalton's going to do them with you today. Remember, we do them for 10 seconds each. Good job. Whew. That was a good warm-up today, boys and girls, wasn't it? I hope you are getting on your resources, activities, and games link, that blue link, remember, and it has all of your locomotor movements on there. Skipping, gallop, hop, jump, run, walk. I hope you're doing all of them and practicing them and showing you're independent. Good, boys and girls. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And down, last one. And remember, boys and girls, you can always get back on YouTube and you can watch our ab workout and do it again. Or our plyometric exercises and do some of them again. It's great to do things over again and practice and get really, really good, right? Okay. Oh. So, now, boys and girls, can you show me how independent you are, and can you get on your link and do at least 2 of your locomotor movements for me and do 2 of our dynamic stretches for me? Can you do that? And then come back, okay? And then I'm going to show you what we're going to do today. Ooh. Hey, boys and girls. So, first, you need any kind of ball. It doesn't matter. Mr. Dalton's going to use a tennis ball. I'm going to use a lot of different balls today you're going to see. But I want us to practice our rolling again. You can practice rolling to a partner. Mr. Dalton's alone right now today. I miss all of you. I wish I had a partner, but I'm going to practice on the wall. Remember, following our 4 cues of rolling, we're going to step. We're going to have a pendulum swing back with our arm. It comes back here. We don't bring it back. It goes back. We bend and get low, and then we follow through. See how Mr. Dalton's hand is chasing that ball? So, I want you to practice rolling with the partner or the wall, or brother and sister, or mommy, daddy, grandpa, grandma, aunt, uncle, whoever. Practice rolling 10 times and see if you can get no bounces. Good job, boys and girls. So, Mr. Dalton's going to practice a couple. That went to the left a little bit. Try to pick a spot on the wall, boys and girls, that you're really practicing and you're trying to hit each time. Ooh, Mr. Dalton got it. Good. Now, boys and girls. Ooh, look at this. It's like a beanbag or a yarn ball. It's kind of fun. So, here's what we're going to do with this now. when we're tossing, boys and girls. It is very similar to rolling. We want to step still with our opposite foot. So if I have the ball in my right hand, I'm going to step with my left. If I have the ball in my left hand, I'm going to step with my right. Okay, so we're going to step. We're going to pendulum swing our arm back, and we're going to follow through. We want to let it go at about a little bit higher than our waist, probably like at our belly button, and let it go and follow through. We are not doing this. Okay, and we have to have control, boys and girls, so it's not a, remember, we bring it back and toss, just like that. I want you to practice, boys and girls, just stepping, bringing it back and tossing and letting it go, nice and slow. Can you do that 10 times? Okay, now, I have a little couple games set up, boys and girls. If you're familiar, maybe mommy, daddy are, anybody but when Mr. Dalton was younger, he used to watch a little channel called WGN9, and on Saturdays or Sundays, maybe I can't remember, but Bozo was on there. And he used to have a game on there Mr. Dalton wanted to play so bad, but it was called Bozo's Grand Prize Game. And Mr. Dalton has that set up for you. And I got a little rolling exercise. So watch. Mr. Dalton's going to take this, and I have my laundry basket. I'm simply going to practice rolling into the laundry basket, just like you boys and girls could do, or maybe you could set up some bowling pins today or a target. I'm going to follow the cues. Stepping, pendulum swing, get low. Oof, Mr. Dalton didn't make it. That's all right. It's a great time, boys and girls, to reflect and think about what I did wrong. I bet my follow-through wasn't that good. So I'm going to try it again. I want you to practice your rolling today by rolling into a laundry basket or a target, or rolling at bowling pins, and do that, please, for 5 to 10 minutes, practicing our 4 cues, okay? Oh, Mr. Dalton got it. Now, boys and girls, to practice our tossing, I'm going to show you a couple things you can do. Just like when I was practicing our rolling, we could set a laundry basket up, though, or any kind of bucket. Stone's going to use this again. And we could step back, and by stepping, pendulum swing, follow through, you can try to throw it into a target. Or, boys and girls, you can set up Bozo's Grand Prize Game like Mr. Dalton. I've taken 3 buckets. You can take as many as you want or use anything and set them up. You need to get a beanbag or a small ball or even a ping pong ball would work. And Mr. Dalton's going to stand behind this red line, and I'm going to start and try to underhand toss my ball into my first bucket. Mr. Dalton knocked it over, so I have to do it again. See how Mr. Dalton didn't pendulum swing his arm back that far, because was I trying to toss it really far? No. I made it, so now I get to go to the second bucket. Woo! Made it. Now I get to go to the third bucket. Woo! Mr. Dalton won Bozo's Grand Prize Game. So, boys and girls, I hope I will see some of you today from 2:30 to 2:50. If you can join us, you can say hi, but I'm going to be having a special literacy Zoom meeting today. I'm going to be reading you a book, The Gym Teacher from the Black Lagoon. So, I hope some of you can join me, first grade. I love you. Bring some popcorn, your favorite blanket, whatever Mr. Dalton's going to read to us this afternoon. I love you. Bye.